we're back at Belper. What a gorgeous day it is at Belper. Lovely rain. Thankfully, well, it was chucking it down earlier. About 15 minutes before we left the house, it was bucketing it down. Got here slightly earlier. We've got the 15:03 from Belper to Derby. It's 14:43 at the moment, so yeah, come here slightly early just because had a look on real-time trains, real train times. I can't remember which way around it is. And there's a train coming through at 10:02, and I was like, yeah, let's make sure we're here for that. Always like a good train coming through, but yeah, that's the plan of action there. Let's wait for it to come through. So we're going to skip those 7 minutes, and yeah, next clip you'll see is that train going past.
Yeah.
Well, that was a bit of a fail, wasn't it? I thought, yeah, I'll put the keep clear on there, and when I got down I was like, ugh. Anyway, that was cool seeing the HST and the Meridian there. Yeah, there were people in the shelter. They'd just come down to get tickets and they just started chatting. I'm like, no, just want to hear the HST and not you talking about Chester. Anyway, so in the next few minutes, our train will be coming, heading towards Derby for our first leg of our journey. Welcome aboard, passengers. Mega Sim here. We're now leaving Belper. First part of our journey is Belper to Derby. On this gorgeous 158. Oh, there's my hand. There's my hand there, look. I'm like this because, look. I've got a poster pillar there, so yeah, I don't want to put my camera on there. But yeah, heading to Duffield and then Derby, and then we'll see the next train and see what we get from there. You probably know already because it's in the description and it's in the title of the movie, of the video as well, but I'll keep you on suspense as we make our way towards our final destination today on day one, trip one, on Train Real World. This is Derby, where this train terminates, because I think this train doesn't go to Nottingham, it goes Derby to Matlock, so there's something going on. So if you want to get to Nottingham at the moment, you've got to get the bus. Anyway, Derby, let's get to the next platform. Man, I've got to show this. It's literally blowing all the way to here. Woo! That's immense. Look at that. Oh, my feet are getting wet now. Look. You can see it. It's just blowing that way. Look at that. Oh, it's pretty epic, that is. If you can actually hear me. But here comes our train. What have we got? We got a 222 Meridian. That's right, we are going to London! To London! On a 222020. Oh, and then the rain's just stopped as I'm shouting. Interesting. Let's get on. It is very, very wet out there. As you can see, look, I'm just focusing on these droplets. Hopefully they will disappear as we start making our way out. I'm trying to try and do this one.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to
try that.
The 1524 East Midlands Railway service to London. Calling next at Long Eaton. Eastlands Parkway, Loughborough at Leicester, then fast and direct to London, due to arrive at 17:08. 10-car train today, made up of 2 5-cars, joined up in the middle with no internal walkway between the two. Only way to move trains is via platforms. Please note, any passengers in coach G wishing to alight at Long Eaton, due to short platform, you must move forward to coach D. First class accommodation in the blue seats, coaches D and G, and coaches J and K.
158s there, 170s, 222s.
Safety information posters situated at exit doors. Please familiarise yourself with these. In the rare event of emergency, please note the door operator.
I think you just
smoking policy.
Yeah,
This includes
the front 2 cars of an Azuma there. Weird. Is that the one that was damaged a little while ago?
Reported to staff. We'll text the BTP and 61016.
Hopefully you saw that.
Sorted. Keep an eye on all your personal belongings. Keep rolls.
There's Pride Park.
My name's Liam.
But yeah, it's very busy today, a very busy train.
Any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me.
But yeah, saw that as it. Just saw it and went, whoa, quick. Hopefully you saw it as well. I was keeping an eye on what was over there. You know, 37s and stuff like that. And then, yeah, just that Azuma just sitting there. Right. Let's start making our way down to London. And here is East Midlands Parkway, right next to the power station. This is a coal power station, so this will be closing soon. Don't know if it's going to be replaced or converted into something else, but yeah, it's a coal-fired power station. Look at that. It's just weird how we got the bits at the bottom for the cooling towers. I believe if you're over there, you end up at Nottingham. So do you think they've extended them over the years? Because look, you've got the top bit and then you've got that second bit. Do you think they've extended them, or is it just a different type of brick for the top bit? Oh, there's some steam coming out of there. And then over here behind these trees, that's where all the coal is stored. Around there and over here. For them to, yeah, put it in. Thinking about it also, I think we're on the right, the correct, not the right, the left hand side, but the correct side, to get a better view of St Pancras as we come into the station. Because every time I keep going to the right, and this time I'm on the left. I've also had a look, and this train is packed, as you know. We've already said that, but there's no seat allocation.
Ladies and gentlemen, shortly arriving into Loughborough, leaving us here, take all personal belongings on departure. Next call will be Leicester.
So yeah, with the journey back that's going to be on Wednesday, 7:30, I've actually got a seat. I've got a seat reservation. So thankfully, because in London it's even worse, here in Derby, you know, you kind of manage to get access to a seat, but if you're doing it from London, it's packed. But yeah, we're gonna get a seat. Look at that. Nice. So yeah, we're definitely getting a seat on the way back, which is good. So yeah, Luga-Baruga. Okay, so now leaving Luga-Baruga. And yeah, heading towards Leicester. There's Brush again. Hey. Yeah, I know I'm watching a YouTube live video. You know who you are. Well, whilst I've got signal. But yeah, driving that tram. Yeah, that's what's really weird about the tram, because I'm gonna say a tram sim. So because of the German keyboard, you know where on train sim we've got the Y and the U for opening the left and right doors? Well, on a German keyboard, the Y is where the Z is, and the Z is where the Y is on an English keyboard. So that means that when you've got QA and Z for the keys on the left hand side of the keyboard, Z, where it's Y, is in the Z and Z is in the Y, so the braking is in the wrong place. So you need to remap it, but I personally think that using the controller is going to be a lot better, because when you use the keyboard, it's just like every time you press the key, it notches it up forcefully, like to the next one, like you would with Train Sim World. So with Train Sim World, you go notch 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's the same with the keyboard on Tram Sim. It's a notch, but you can really easily put the emergency brake on, whereas with the controller, you're using it like a car pedal. You know when you're driving a car on a PlayStation or an Xbox, and you can gradually, you know, just touch the trigger, and it kind of moves with it like a pedal. It moves with it. It's not on, off. It's like slightly on, fully on, slightly off. So you know, that's where the controller does, you know, a lot more. Now you still use the keyboard, especially when you're opening and closing the doors and you're pressing the bell and, you know, stuff like that, but just using the trigger is really nice and really nice to use, a lot more to drive the tram. That's all. Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. But yeah, that's kind of what I was trying to explain, but you can't even explain it in text on a live chat. So yeah, there you go, mate. That's why it's better to use the controller than the keyboard, just for the acceleration and braking. Anyway, right, on to Leicester.
On behalf of myself, the driver, and the rest of the onboard crew, I'd like to thank you for travelling with us today. Hope that they come from a pleasant journey.
Now that was cool.
Once again, on departure from Leicester, next service call will be London St Pancras only.
Look at that. Oh, never seen inside here before. Look at that. Signal's a bit weird today. Just getting low 4G and 3G signal on this route. Usually it's quite high, but yeah, weird it's a little lower today. So yeah, can't watch the YouTube live. Keeps cutting out. So do you know what? I'm going to give it a day, and that's it. no more. Oh, here comes some overhead. It's the electrification that should have come up to north, but to the Midlands, but only went this far. This is where the aubergine, what do they call them again? I've forgotten already. I'll have to stop this video and start again. But you know, the new 800s that East Midlands Railway are getting, this is where it will change from diesel to overhead, because we're now on the overhead lines. Are we? Yeah, I think we are. I think we are on the overhead here. Yeah, we are. It's just because this is slightly higher than us, so it's separate, but then we're on the same same level. Gantry, you know, the thing going over the top's the same. Like now, there we go. What would you have called the Class 800 for East Midlands Railway? Let me know in the comments. Be clean, please. It's a family channel. Thank you. Right, let's pause it and find out what it was. Just missed them. There I am trying to search for that name, and I've just missed all of those Desiros. Desiros? Aren't they like the old Heathrow Connect trains? It's not Desiro, but are they the old Heathrow Connect trains that are now East Midlands Railway for this part of the route? Anyway, let's go back to search. That's it. The Auroras. The Auroras 801s. So yeah, bit of a better engine, I believe. Kind of like the Great Western. You got the 800s and the 801s. I think not 802s, but 801s. I think it's 801s, not 802s. They got a better engine, so they can kind of cope in the Cornish countryside with the hills and things like that. So they usually use the 801s on the Cornish bit, and then all the others get the 800s. Oh, there's Weetabix. Have you had your Weetabix? Can you see it? Yeah. Interesting. Maybe we'll see some more trains now that we're on this part of the route. It is a shame we don't get the HSTs in. Well, I know I'll probably mention it in every single one of my videos, but it is a shame the HSTs are slowly going. We need to have a go on the castle set and for Great Western, and also the ScotRail Intercity 7s. Yeah, love to go on them. Oh, that's a bit wobbly, isn't it? Why are we so wobbly? Very wobbly. Never been so wobbly. And also the cross country. Would love to do the full cross country route. So yeah, cross country, if you're listening and watching, hey, I wouldn't mind doing that full route. That'd be good. Yeah, that was really weird. We were very wobbly there. I wonder what that was. Some freight cars. To get to see them diesels in there. Oh, there's a 66. Just see the top of him. There's another one. Lovely. Some dratters. Some diggers. Quite nice and modern and new, this railway here, this line here. Oh, there's so there's they're the diggers that, you know, have the railway wheels as well as tyres. Okay, so they're doing some works there. Oh, there's a 66 coming up. There it is. It's Network Rail, Wellingborough. The other end must be heavy to have a double one other end. Oh, it's all that ballast, isn't it? It's actually a longer clip than I thought it was going to be, but yeah, I just thought it was quite interesting. Yeah, that was really a wobbly wobble there. No idea what that was. It's never been that bad. Just missed them, but there we go. There's the 700 Thames links. Coming up to St Albans, and yeah, we are grinding to a halt. What's going on? Are we going too quick? Finally figured it out. Real-time train says that we are early. At one point between Leicester and here, we were 6 minutes ahead of schedule. At the moment we're 3, so that's probably why we are slowing down. Oh, vroom, vroom. Nice. Oh, how cool would that be to do? Just not near that motorway. But yeah, that's why we were slowing down, is because we are early, so we're probably stuck behind another train in front of us. But yeah, simply put, we're 3 minutes ahead of schedule at the moment, and was 6. We're getting back up to speed now. Even though Stables aren't in the UK anymore, it's still called Stables Corner. So there it is. What is that shopping centre? What is it called? Let me know in the comments. 700s, EMR's there as well. The EMR connects. Oh, look at that graffiti. Look at that. Wow. Wow, that was a lot. That was a lot of graffiti there. No DTG logo though. Yeah, it's where they stored the HSTs during the day, so the rush hour routes, the HSTs for East Midlands would be stored here. It would come up and down the country a couple of times, and then they'd be stored here before the late afternoon evenings, and then the HST then goes up and down the country a couple of times until it ends up back in Leeds for the night time. Cricklewood. Yeah, I'm happy I've seen that. But yeah, that graffiti on that 700, wow, that was a lot there. Just got to be so careful on the railways. You know, we have to look at it all safely. None of this walking on tracks and anything like that, because it's dangerous. Yeah, almost at St Pancras now. We are coming to a stop again, probably because we are early, as I said, so there isn't any space for us at St Pancras, so we're waiting to get in. And it's pretty dry this side. You go on a couple of specks here, but on the other side of the train it's raining, so it's hitting the windows. Right, next clip you'll see will be looking at the St Pancras round the corner and seeing hopefully some Eurostars and some Javelins, unless something else more interesting comes our way before then. Yes, nice. Look at that. Please don't stop here. Come on, a little bit further forward. There we go. Oh, if only I was, well, I say I don't want to be on that train, I want to be going the opposite way. There goes a 222 coming out, but we're not moving over because we want to see that Eurostar coming in. Now we can go in. And there's CTRL, look. Is it right there? CTRL. Channel Tunnel Rail Link.
Ladies and gentlemen, shortly arriving into London St Pancras where the service terminates. Before you leave us here, have a good look round. Make sure you've got all your personal belongings. So your retaining tickets, you will need these to exit. If you have generated any rubbish, can I kindly ask you to stow these away in the rubbish bins provided on the train, or take them home with you.
Look at that. Oh, gas tower there.
On behalf of myself, the driver, and the rest of the onboard crew, I'd like to thank you for travelling with us today. We hope you had a pleasant and comfortable journey.
There's some boats down there.
Final call, all change please, all change.
There is London St Pancras International. Look at those javelins. Just think it was over a month ago now since we were on that javelin. So weird. So time just goes so quickly. And there they are, look. They're long ones. They're double trains, they are. Because they're sticking out quite far. The Meridian 222002. We have arrived and it's very busy, so I might sit at my seat for a few minutes and wait for the crowds to leave the train, and then yeah, make my way off myself. What's that one? The Cutlers Company. Hey, I think this is the time where you know, the Heathrow Connect trains, I can't remember the names, you know, the number, that's going to leave in a minute just opposite me, but there's loads of people getting off, so right, let's see what happens next. Now I'm on my own on this train because they've all got off. I wanted to go this way because we've got our snack train, our buffet, but it's closed in true Train World fashion. Look at that, it's closed. You can't open this one. Go here. Come on. Here we go. This is where we open it. Now we get off. Ooh. Wow, that was a big step. A bit bigger than I thought it was going to be. I'm just thinking, because we're early, that's why that hasn't left yet. Yeah, standard class at the front. Yeah, 1714. So yeah, that's why. But yeah, here we go. Here's the front of our train. 222020. And there goes that 360. That's the one. So yeah. Interesting stuff. Let's take a photo and start making our way that way. But yeah, we got here a few minutes early, so that's not too bad. That's not too harsh. So yeah, right, let's start making our way down. Go on the underground for our next part of our trip. Just south of the Thames? Or are we north of it? Right near the Thames, where the Thames is, yeah, just north of the Thames. So yeah, north side of the Thames, right at the Thames. So yeah, let's head towards there. First of all, we got to go on the Victoria line. So let's go on the Victoria line now. London Underground. So, shall we see where we're going? So we are currently here, King's Cross. We're going to go down here, Victoria line to Victoria. And then we're going to get the District line down to West Brompton. And then the Overground to Imperial Wharf. That's where we're going today. Imperial Wharf. Let's go. Oh. We actually have a tube map this time. These were all empty last time. We have a tube map. What is it? December 2020. Let's go. So anyway, the District line is suspended at where I want to be, so we're doing something, yes, amazing. This was not planned at all, but I am going up these stairs. Man, even though I've got a little case, it's heavy. But we are at Victoria Station, home to the Brighton main line that we will be getting soon on Trains in World 2 rush hour. This is Victoria Station. So let's try and figure out what platform we need to go to. I don't mind it taking a little bit longer, because we've got to see where we're going. So what's the time? It's 17:42. So Epsom to Clapham Junction, that's platform 10. Platform 10's this way. And the next one is platform 16 and platform 13. So 10, 16 or 13, if we go there, we'll catch something. We've only got a few minutes to get there, but that's fine. I really hope it's a southern. Well, of course it would be, wouldn't it? Why wouldn't it be? So let's head to 10, 16 or 13 when we finally get there. So there's quite a few trains. Oh, Southeastern on 1 to 7. That's why we went to the wrong place. That's how much I know London Victoria Station. But this is just going to take a while. So let's go. So we should have gone on this side of Victoria Station. So platform 10 should be going to Epsom. But it doesn't say. It looks like a 377, so let's go and catch it before it leaves. So first of all, let's go for it. Go. Let's go through. Platform 10 on a 377 700 series. Oh, I think that came out your bag, mate. Should we get on board? Oh, wow. Everyone, look at this. We are on the 377. It's first class. Oh, thank you. Yeah, this is first class. But this stops at Clapham, and that's where we want to go. So let's, oh, there's a toilet. It's never open on trains in World, so it's nice that we get to see it. Might just keep walking till we get a seat. If not, we might actually stand. Yeah, get on the train, they're shouting. And I accidentally pressed stop record. This is amazing. This is so good. I don't care if we don't find a seat. Just walking through this train is good enough. We're moving. We're leaving. It's through here. I don't need to sit down. There's a 375, 465 down there, or 466. It's a 377 coming in. So Battersea Park's the first station. This is it. This is it, everyone. Let's go over here. Oh.
Ensure you are travelling in the correct part of the train.
Oh man. Oh, I'm on a seat that's going backwards because
coach number 8 of 10.
8 of 10. It's 377. You're going to see more than I can because I'm on a backwards facing seat and I'm next to the disabled toilet, so oh. So yeah, this is very, very unexpected here. Even I didn't know this was going to happen. And we are the wrong side, aren't we? Definitely the wrong side. Let's go. Do you know why? Because I want to look over here. Oh, I think I missed it. These buildings, get out of the way. Yep, I missed it. So there's the southeastern. Oh, there we go. There's Battersea Dog's Home, isn't it? Yeah. It's Battersea Dog and Cat. Yeah, there's the Battersea Power Station. Look how built up it is now. Man. Because, yeah, this was going to be Chelsea Football Club wanting to potentially put their football stadium here. And if you know about Alton Towers, the previous owners before to Swords, they were going to use Battersea Power Station as a venue for like a little funfair theme park and hotels and stuff like that. So we are here at London Victoria, Battersea Park. We're going to Clapham Junction, okay? So we need to go to Clapham to then start getting Southern. It says online that I get a Southern to Imperial Wharf, which is there. So I'll get one there and then I have to go back that way. So yeah, there we go.
This station is Clapham Junction.
Battersea Park. It's so cool. I didn't expect to be on this line at all for quite a while. Wasn't expecting it at all. So, hey guys, this is amazing. So yeah, what we'll do is get to Clapham Junction and yeah, try and figure out where to go from there. That was Queen's Road Station, it said, a sign on there.
Welcome aboard the Southern Service.
Queenstown Road.
Epsom. The next station is Clapham Junction.
I really hope Dovetail do a really good job on this route. Thankfully this delay will hopefully get those extra little bits in, because look at the detail that we've got of these houses here. I hope we get these houses. Oh, look at them. Just gorgeous. Right, let's go to the other side. Oh, moving along. Right, there's Southwest Trains, Southwest Railway, sorry, coming in. So will we get to see some Southwest Railway trains? I hope so. I think it's Southwest Trains there, or could this be Southern? But yeah. Oh, this is amazing. Yeah. Oh, train wash.
Approaching Clapham Junction. Please find the gap between the train and the platform.
Hey, there we go. Southwest Railway. Southwestern Railway, sorry. So yeah, we'll get off this train and see when the next one is to Imperial Wharf. There's nothing going on the other side because this train is the furthest possible platform at Clapham. So it might be a bit of a walk to get to our train platform for Imperial Wharf. Look at that. Just look at this. It's amazing. This is so good. Right, let's go. It's so bright down here. And that was it. We were on a Southern 377 there. Wait for this to go and then we'll figure out where we need to go next. See you later, 377. I'll drive you soon. So yeah, this one's going to Epsom. There she goes. Woohoo! Nice. Love it. Right, let's get the app out and see where I need to go next. So I've just looked. There's one going from platform 1 in 2 minutes and I'm on platform 15. Yeah, right. I ain't getting that. If not, there's one at 5 past in about 10 minutes time that will go from platform 17. So I think platform 17 is the way to go. Oh look, there I am. Microsoft Flight Simulator arriving at London Heathrow. So yeah, we're at Clapham Junction. Let's go to platform 17, so just over there. Remember, we're not on Train Sim World, so we can't go over the tracks. We have to do it the proper way. So let's go to platform 17. Just climb the stairs. Sorry about the case, but Clapham Junction. So we're going down to 17. I went up the stairs. Why didn't I go up the lift? Oh, so unfit. Right, 17 we go. So yeah, on platform 17 now, waiting for the next Southern. Mind the gap. There's another one that's going to Croydon, 377. Not sure what we're going to get. It's probably a 377. If it's something else, oh, I'm going to be so excited. But there goes that other 377. Oh, it's a 377-3. West Croydon, that one's going to. driver, swapping over here. So yeah, hey, it's annoying that District Line, all that's closed and all that, but isn't this a better route? It's going to take longer, but isn't this a better route? I think it's a 377-400. Now, looking at this, how busy it is, I really, really, really hope Dovetail get this right. There has literally got to be trains coming in and out constantly. Really, come on. You got to do this right. Right, let's wait for our train. Interesting, so whilst we're waiting for this train goes to Watford Junction that we're going on. So this is the one that goes to Harrow and Wealdstone and Wembley Central, and that route, literally Clapham Junction to Watford Junction. So how amazing that. And there is another 377 again. I have no idea what we're going to have. But yeah. So this is literally Clapham Junction to Watford Junction. What is it? Imperial Wharf, West Brompton, Kensington, Olympia, Shepherd's Bush. I'm reading it. Oh, and it's gone already. Oh, okay. Thanks. Here's some cheering going on. There's no football on, but yeah. Unless there is, I don't know. But yeah, let's see what we've got coming up. Shepherd's Bush, Harrow and Wealdstone, and Watford Junction. So yeah, it doesn't stop at Wembley Central, but it goes through. But yeah, nice. I'm looking forward to this. Let's just see what train we're going to get. Here it comes. This is a 377 again. Love it. And oh, nice plane going over. Don't have time to have a look, but oh, look at that. 377. What have we got? 200 series. Nice. Thank you, NHS. That's what it says on that train. Choo choo. All right, let's get aboard this train, head towards Imperial North, which is the next stop, but who cares? Got a 377 yet again. We're on the Brighton Main Line. Well, not now, we're going to come off it, but how cool is this? That gap is a gap, isn't it? Yeah, here we are. Another 377. Should we start making our way towards Imperial Wharf? Let's wait for the doors to shut. I just didn't want to, you know, not record this amazing thing. This video is going to go on really longer now. Here we go. It's 6:07. It's 2 minutes late, but this is when it should be due to depart. So we should get a... Oh.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Southern service to Watford Junction, coordinate Imperial Wharf, West Brompton, Kensington Olympia, Shepherd's Bush, Harrow and Wealdstone, and Watford Junction. The next station is Imperial Wharf.
This is where we leave.
Welcome aboard the Southern service to Watford Junction, calling at Imperial Wharf, West Brompton, Kensington Olympia.
There's our green light. The guard has said we can go, so we can go.
Imperial Wharf. Please keep your bags and personal belongings with you at all times. If you see something that doesn't look right, report it to a member of staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. See it, say it.
Sorted. So yeah, platform 17, we're leaving. Next stop, Imperial Wharf, where we depart this train. But yeah, it does go on to Watford Junction, as you heard. Got more 377s on just to the left of me. Look, there they all are. It's just constant trains coming in and out. It really is a decent rush hour service, but they have got to get it right. They have got to get it. Dovetail, you've got to get this right. Epsom again, Epsom Downs.
Welcome aboard the Southern Service to Watford Junction. The next station is Imperial Wharf.
No idea how long it is to get to Imperial Wharf. And actually, you know that Platform 1 train? That was an overground train, so I'd have to have run, and it wouldn't have been a Southern. So it had to have been Platform 17. Had to have been 17. So yeah, here we go, just to the left. Excuse me. Look at that. Nice balconies overlooking the railway. That'd be decent, wouldn't it? I don't know how much that would cost though, that house. If it is a house, it could be split up into flats. Into apartments, darling. Apartments. But yeah, Imperial Wharf is where we depart, and yeah, we then got to try and find our hotel from there. Hopefully you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed it. It's been amazing. We got to go on a 377 on the Brighton Main Line. Yeah, a couple of stations, but who cares? Who cares? It was amazing. So good. But yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed coming along with me. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Of course you did. This is Brighton Main Line. Some of it. But nonetheless, such an epic journey into a journey as well. Really was. But yeah, what are your thoughts on this closure, this district line closure? Well, it's railway work, so I saw some replacement bus services, but no, we go the right way. We go on the National Rail, and we're still on. Oh, nice. Imperial Wharf. Look at that. Just got to find our hotel now. Once we arrive here. But yeah, I've got to go somewhere down there for work. Further down there. But yeah, there's London. There's BT Tower. You can see in the distance. Right, coming into the station, so let's get off the train. There we go. So, at Imperial Wharf, let's try and find our, oh look, plane going over. Don't forget we've got 377 leaving. Got to see that. And yeah, this one's going to Watford Junction, as I said. Might carry on this video till I get to the hotel, so we'll see how that goes. All right. Zoom in. See you later, 377. You were good. You were a good journey. Right. Let's try and find this hotel. Right then. So put that through and let's leave. There we go. Imperial Wharf, and our hotel should be over here. Oh, look at that. Oh, nice coffee place in the morning. Yeah, I thought I'd just have a stroll with you as we finish this off. As we've said already, thank you very much for watching. Harrison, ooh. Ah, it's next to a Tesco. Isn't Harrison Hall like owned by Tesco now, or part owned? And that's why it's there. But yeah, you've got these Santander bikes. Yeah, right. Our hotel supposedly should be over here. Sorry about my my what do you call it? My case noise. Right, let's go to the hotel. Interesting, staying here, look, it's got a tab to say that it's been cleaned. So if I, come on, that one, there we go. And that's it. Oh, it should have tared. Right. Oh, okay, they've got a card in there already. Right. I'm just coming in here because I wanted to see if we have access to, oh, is that a merry-go-round in there? Well, I don't have access to any visibility of the trains, but I do have a fairground ride, the carousel. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, everyone. We will see you on the next video. This is Mega Sim out of here. See you later, guys. Bye.